Former President Duterte and President Xi Jinping had 8 official meetings during the period 2016, October 2016 to August 2019. In all the 8 official meetings, he was always accompanied by his incumbent Foreign Affairs secretaries, namely the late Secretary Perfecto Yasay Jr., then Acting Secretary, now Secretary Enrique Manalo, Secretary, now Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, and Secretary, now Ambassador Teodoro Locsin Jr. In my capacity as Executive Secretary, I was able to attend 2 of the official meetings between former President Duterte and President Xi. First was the state visit of President Xi in the Philippines sometime in November 2018, and the second was on the official visit of President Duterte to China in August 2019. Secretary Locsin was present in all those meetings. Of these 2 official meetings I attended, no gentleman's agreement ever took place between former President Duterte and President Xi. President Duterte, being a lawyer, knew fully well that it was foolhardy to enter into an agreement, especially a gentleman's agreement at that, with the President of the People's Republic of China on matters involving sovereign rights.